Doing an oil change on a third-gen Toyota Tacoma should be simple, but unfortunately it's a common problem if you ever had the oil filter cover get stuck or seize up on the oil filter housing. And of course, oil dripping everywhere from the oil drain plug, you know it can get messy, even if you're using the oil filter toolkit from Motive X. Today we're fixing those problems, and the oil drain plug problem, once and for all. Here's the issue. The stock oil filter housing on the Tacoma is notorious for seizing up, making it impossible to remove the cover for a clean, no-mess oil filter change. It's going to be a mess. See? It's lockstep. That shouldn't happen. Add in the oil drain plug that when you remove it, erupts like a volcano, especially if the truck's been driven and the oil is hot. Not only is it messy, but it can also cause burns or injuries. Put it all together and you've got one of the messiest jobs on this truck. To solve the first problem, I replaced the oil filter housing and cover with a fresh OEM unit. This takes care of the stuck cover issue and makes filter swaps much smoother. The unfortunate thing is, this oil change is going to be messy. But the real game changer is upgrading to the ValvoMax quick twist oil drain valve. I should have done this day one on this Tacoma, but hindsight's 2020. This replaces the factory oil drain plug with a simple twist to drain solution. No tools, no strip bolts, no burns, and no mess. It is designed to give you a safe, controlled oil flow every time. If you're into Tacomas, this channel is for you. We cover it all: mod installs, real-world testing, electrical walkthroughs, dealership pricing, even recall updates. All Tacoma, all the time. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a thing. So OEM is the route for stuck filter covers. There's really no other way. I'd stay away from the metal aftermarket housings because those will only create bigger headaches. And that messy oil drain plug with a dangerous volcano effect, that ends here. Replacing the Tacoma's oil filter housing and cover fixes the seizing issue. And adding the ValvoMax drain valve gives you a fast, no-mess solution. For me, this is now the cleanest and quickest oil change I've ever done on my Tacoma. Now this is a bonus, and this is completely cosmetic, but I'm replacing the OEM oil filter cap with this aftermarket TRD aluminum oil filter cap. It's extremely well built. Like I said, it's purely cosmetic. It just makes the engine look good, and it's very well built. Now every once in a while I do recommend putting some Techron fuel system cleaner into your gas tank. I would have to say, make sure your gas tank's at least 3/4 full and just dump that in there. 1 or 2 treatments and your wallet will be thanking you. Now for general knowledge of an oil change and how to do it and doing it the right way, I'm going to put a link down in the description of a previous video I've done that details on a stock 3rd gen Tacoma with no mods on how to do a proper oil change. And that's my go-to video if you ever need to change your own oil and why you should change your own oil. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.